So this is our trial of the Cuttermasters' latest end grinding corner radius end mill sharpening machine. It's a YN03C. It'll do 2, 3, 4, and 6 fluid end mills.
Let's see from the front.
And so you call it drawers there. We provide a mix of North American size collets with the machine. So to begin with, this is the tool timing device. It has we're grinding a 4 fluid end mill, so this tooth times the tool to the chuck. Put it in, rotate the end mill so that it comes up against this rest here. If you get a large end mill, you can slide this over this way. And you can just snug up the tool and pull it out. The tool should be basically flat with one of the flats to see if you're timed right. This is the end grinding side of the workstation. This is the radius grinding side of the workstation. To do 3, 4, 5, and 6 fluid tools, you use this station, and this station. To grind 2 fluid tools, you use this station and this station and this station. We're going to do a 4 fluid here today, so this is really our first time trying this on this machine, so we'll just see how it works. I think we have it figured. We're going to start by gashing the tool, and to make it center cutting, you want either 2 and 4 or 1 and 3 to go deeper, so that the fluid goes all the way across the center in one of the 180-degree axes, and that gives you your center cutting. So we'll turn the machine on. In this case here, we're going to try for deeper with 2 and 4. Good. Now we're going to do the secondary. Do the secondary grind. You come into this workstation here. You see how that works. We're going to close the lid. There's a fixed shoulder that you have to go into. You just do all 4 positions all the same. Just go all the way down all 4. You can go around. So secondary is a clearance angle, so as long as you have some, you're fine. And then this is the primary. Just come in, line it up. There's a face to guide you square, and then just push in. Just go all the way around the tool. And there you have your end. Good. So now we're going to show you how to do a corner radius. It's pretty simple. This is already set up. It has a 1 millimeter radius wheel. These wheels are produced with a radius profile on the corner of the wheel. It's with diamond abrasive on it. This has already been set. Once again, it's pretty easy to access the wheel if you want to change it. So we're just going to load the tool. And then rotate over. Go to the next flute. And there's your perfect 1 millimeter corner radius in less than a minute.